Hi everyone. So today actually what we're doing is I'm showing you guys how Italian sausages are being made from the scratch. So if you want to see how it's done, sit back, don't go anywhere. If you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, like and share. All right, let's delve into it. Alright, what's happening here basically is we are using the intestine of a lamb, and this is the part that we use for those of my Nigerian brethren. This is the part we use for our pepper soup, but in order to do our sausages we need to preserve this part. No pepper soup this time. So now we're inserting the intestine into the nozzle of this machine. That's where the meat is going to come out from. Let's keep watching.
And,
This is intestine. I mean, this is the intestine of the lamb.
Yeah. This
Wow.
is a long time that I have on the fridge. It's on salt. With the salt that.
Usually, I just see it. I'm like, they do it in the big factories where they grind the meat. I see it on the TV, you know, but I never see
Yeah, but
it
those
done.
they have automatic machines.
Yeah,
that grind
but
the
this
meat.
is really nice too. It takes patience though. This is my 92 years old Italian client. Nice the beef. He grinded that beef yesterday.
No, that's pork.
I mean pork actually, yeah. You can use whatever meat you choose to, but he's using pork.
Yeah, for sausage, pork, that's the best.
Stuff it in. Wow. So the meat here has already been seasoned. The spices and all the ingredients he already mixed in that grinded meat. So you can season your meat to your taste, and whatever you choose to add depends on you. So as we can see, the meat is coming out perfectly from that outlet there. And yeah, can you imagine? This is how our sausages are made. And the amazing part is that this has no preservative. You have no chemicals, you know, for long shelf life. So if you want to eat healthy, you want fresh meat without chemicals or preservative, this is one way you can have your meat or your sausage done. At least you're sure of the source of the meat, what's in the meat.
That's because this,
You know,
you see the nerves.
he don't like preservatives, so this is natural meat straight from the farm and in the form of a sausage. You know, no preservatives.
That's right.
All this long shelf life preservative is not in this one. So here you go. We have a very long sausage.
The rest of the meat we're going to make some sausage.
With this machine right here.
Yeah, that's the machine.
That's the machine to get the sausages done.
Yeah.
Food grinder and sausage
Now it
maker.
has to be popped so that the air comes out.
Now it's popping it so that the hair comes out.
Yeah.
Wow. Is making sure that hand is tied, well tied,
Yeah.
so they don't come out. So yeah, you go your sausages. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.